In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively view and analyze volume in TradingView. Understanding volume is crucial for traders as it provides insights into the strength of a trend and potential reversal points. Let's explore how you can visually interpret this vital data using TradingView. To begin, open your chart on TradingView. This will allow you to organize and visualize your trading data in one convenient display. Once your chart is open, direct your attention to the top of the interface where you'll find the Indicators button. Clicking on this button brings up a search bar where you can type in the term volume. This action will pull up a list of indicators related to volume, and from this list, you'll want to select the standard volume indicator. Upon selection, the indicator will be automatically added to your chart. Now that the standard volume is enabled, you'll notice a series of bars appearing at the bottom of your price chart. These bars represent the quantity of shares or contracts traded during a given period for the financial instrument you are tracking. As you look at these bars, pay attention to their height. Taller bars indicate higher trading volumes, which might suggest increased interest or volatility in the market at that specific time. This is particularly useful when assessing whether a price move has the backing of strong volume, which could validate a trend or hint at its possible reversal. For those who prefer a more visual representation, TradingView offers an alternative display method using volume candles. You can activate this by accessing the chart type selector. With this option, candles appear larger when there has been a substantial volume of trading. This visual enhancement can make it easier to spot potentially significant movements without having to constantly shift your attention to the volume bars below the main chart. For traders who are looking for advanced volume analysis, TradingView provides volume profile tools. These are also accessible through the Indicators tab. Volume profile tools offer a deeper look by showing volume based on price levels rather than over specific time periods. This can be particularly helpful in identifying areas of strong support and resistance, as well as zones where there was significant trading activity, further assisting you in making informed decisions about potential entry and exit points. In summary, whether you're utilizing the standard volume indicators to gauge the ebbs and flows of trading activity, taking advantage of the visually intuitive volume candles, or diving into a more complex volume profile analysis, TradingView equips you with a robust set of tools to enhance your trading strategies. By mastering the use of these volume indicators, you can better interpret market dynamics and make more informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped simplify your volume analysis on TradingView.